Hey everyone, and welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be going over the 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE with all-wheel drive in the opulent amber, aka brown, exterior color. It's a 4-door, 8-passenger sports utility vehicle with a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and puts out 295 horsepower. Its 68-liter tank delivers fuel economy ratings of 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 10.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's get inside and take a look at all the interior features. Alright, here we are looking onto the driver's side interior. Got power locks and windows on the driver's side door panel. Silver door handle and two-tone beige and brown. The seats are covered in Softex leather. Driver's and passenger seats are both heated. Passenger side has 4-way power adjustable seats and driver's side has 8-way power adjustments as well as lumbar support. Hop on in here. Push start button. The heated steering wheel is wrapped in Softex leather, has Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as the Safety Sense 2.5 controls. Get it over here, here's a couple of them here. Dynamic radar cruise control. And they're displayed up here in this color TFT Multi Information Display. The settings there, many more. Your automatic high beams and rear door opener. Over here we've got the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Siri Eyes-Free compatibility. This is also, this is also where your backup camera is displayed. Moving down to the 3-zone independent automatic climate control. Under the dash cubby, a little small little pocket here, and one back here would fit your phone perfectly. USB audio input and USB charging ports. Power outlet. Tray moves right across here. Leather wrap shift knob. 2 cup holders here, drive modes, train select, parking brake and holds, center console storage compartment with removable sliding tray, pretty deep well, and another power outlet here. Looking up, you'll see the power slide and tilt moonroof with its controls right up here, the interior lighting controls and integrated garage door opener right above the auto dimming rear view mirror. There's a sunglass compartment here as well. Alright, let's pop back outside and see what the exterior has to offer. The 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE has both LED fog lamps and headlamps, windshield wiper de-icer, unique 18-inch alloy wheels with front and rear splash guards, heated exterior mirrors with integrated signal lamps, chrome roof rails, rear spoiler, roof-mounted shark fin antenna, rear bumper protector, power rear door, opening up to tons of cargo space. As you can see here, we've got the seasonal floor mats, and our 3rd row is folded down to show you all of the space you can get. check out the back seats. Back here, the Harvest Beige Softex leather seats continue onto one of two rear cabin seating options. Both rows are 60/40 split, fold down, slide and recline. Controls down here. Center fold down armrest with 2 cup holders. Tons of leg room. Your interior lighting and vents up here. Digital climate control, 2 more USB charging ports. Back seat pockets. And on our 2-tone door panels, we have power windows, silver door handle, and sunshade. So I'll just show you quickly. Fold down here. It's as easy as that. And folds flat down like that. And push here to move it. So there's our 3rd row. 60/40 split. 2 cup holders on each side. Tons of room. It's our tonneau cover there in the box. And we'll put this back up. There we go. Okay, that was the 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive in the opulent amber or brown exterior color with the Harvest Beige Softex leather interior. Loaded with features and space, you've got to come down and see this for yourself. So give us a call at 613-342-9111 and we'll be happy to get you safely set up for a test drive.